All right, and let's do this fancy magic trick scarf one more time. So we're gonna fold the scarf in half, just fold it over my hand. And as it's folded, I'm gonna take that loop and wrap it around my neck. It's getting warm out here and my hair's, I'm getting hot. Okay, all right, so then you've got this loop. You put your hand back in the loop and you wanna twist it, okay? You wanna twist it like that. And so once it's twisted, you're gonna take one of these and put them down, and one of these and put them up. So going down in and coming up out. So as this is twisted, this one's on the top. So this one's on the top. Let's bring that, the one closest to it, from the bottom. And this one's on the bottom, so let's bring this one from the top. And so you get this interwoven scarf that it's pretty in a solid color, but I think you can really see the direction of where I'm moving everything that much more because of the stripes. So pretty, right? And I gotta tell you, all that volume at my neck is as cozy as absolutely possible. It couldn't be more cozy when you can get that kind of volume at your neck.